is the thickness planer. What you want to do is you always want to wear goggles. You got to put the wood through when you're not standing in front of it, just in case some kind of freak accident happens. You always want to have someone on the other side to grab it, and you don't want to put it too. You don't want to take off too much, basically. It's bad for the planer. And here's Joe. I'll show you how to do it.
Here's how to operate the machine. You go over to the button panel here. You twist it counterclockwise. Then you click man 1. It'll be beeping there, flashing. And then you go 1, 2, 2, 5. Enter. Then you click the blue button. Then it'll adjust to your preferred settings. It'll usually be 1 point under, so don't worry. And then you click this button. Oh, this button. Wait for it to speed up. And you click this button, and now you're good to go. So you put your piece of lumber in like so. Give it a good push. It is very flat and smooth,
And then you can do.
you adjust it to the other setting. This will be a bit lower
The other side.
to 1200.
The other side. That's the thickest part here.